Hey everybody, we just got done screwing off the deck now, and the reason we do that is we want to make sure that the existing deck is screwed down good to the new plywood and the new blocking we have underneath. I had a massive leak right here, so we got the channel established. We got a new metal in. Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is water testing a deck. We just got done sealing. A lot of water drains off here. It drains really, really good. We always start at the high side as it works its way down. What we like is away from the metal on the edge. And we don't see any puddling. There's none here on the corner. None over here. This is completely dry here. We like that. And you can see all that's completely dry. Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is a deck coating for one of our customers. Originally it was a tan and they want to move to a light gray. This deck is approximately 5 feet wide and 12 feet long. Feet wide and approximately 12 feet long. Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is applying a deck coating for this existing deck. You can see it was a light tan originally, and we changed it to a light gray. This deck is 5 feet wide and 12 feet long. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your deck coatings and the kind of deck repairs you have at your home or your office. Have a great day and bye for now.